So let's take a look at how you can work with array in Windows PowerShell. Okay, so I have Windows PowerShell ISC. So this is basically a editor where I can write the Windows PowerShell script and execute it. Here you can see I have written one script and saved it with name sample.ps. Okay, so here's where I'm going to create array in Windows PowerShell. First thing, we are going to create a variable before we can declare it as array. Okay, so if we assign only one value to it, it will be variable. So let's see if I assign multiple values. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 and 150. Okay, that should be the integer array. Similarly, you can replace this with some of the so here we can add character arrays such as say yellow, blue, and red. Okay, so that should be your character array. Now after that we can simply check out how to output our array. Simply write your array here and hit enter. That should print the content of array. Also you can use for loop. Okay, let me show you how to. So for each and then $element in $mylist, and here I'm going to output $element. Okay, so if we run this, it should output the same output as we do in simple mylist. Okay, here you can additionally add few other parameters on what type of output you want from this array. Like if you only want 50 or let's say 100, you can do so. So for that we can do mylist 3, let's say, and let's check out the output. As you can see, I only get 100 based on this position from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 is 100, the output is 0. So this was a simple demonstration on how to work with arrays in Windows PowerShell.